Repurpose sent me their 3-ply bamboo toilet paper for my review. I have literally never tried bamboo toilet paper before, so I'm excited to kind of open this up and see what it feels like, if it's strong enough. The thing that really drew me to this is the fact, yes, of course it's made from bamboo. It is ultra soft, which I am a huge fan of. But the other thing is that it is septic safe. We actually live in the Caribbean and we have a septic tank, so we can only use certain kinds of toilet paper. We need ones that are fast dissolving and septic safe, and this is exactly what this is. So I'm very excited about that because I feel like it's really hard to find certain toilet papers for us. So this will be really great for RVs as well, and with it fast dissolving, this will be really good for camping. Clearly my dog thinks that this is some kind of treat. Walter, it's just toilet paper, but ooh, it feels really nice. I mean, it looks like normal toilet paper to me, which of course is a good thing. 3-ply, which is really nice because there is nothing worse than having really terrible toilet paper, super ultra thin, but definitely not ultra thin there. Scott, look at that, check that out. So obviously that's not going to rip on your first little wipe there. It does feel really soft but tough, which of course is important. Yeah, and this is the 12-pack. 3-ply, septic safe, made from bamboo. I can't get over that. And the fact that it's still so soft and that strong, I'm excited to try it.